Faith No More.
It's a horrible song.
It's a great song. Surprise You're Dead. The biggest creeps on earth are those who claim to love it. Their love is really hate for people, specifically poor people. Case in point, Bjorn Lundberg, he's a great greenie with a conscience. He reports that activists in the Philippines have destroyed a field of golden rice. That's rice that's genetically modified to contain vitamin A. Of the 3 billion people who eat rice every day and are at risk for vitamin A deficiency, this new rice helps prevent nearly 700,000 deaths a year and 500,000 kids from going blind. These activists are essentially accessory to mass murder. I say hang them by their toenails. These creeps operate from the evil notion that everything from Earth is good and everything made by man is bad. It's an idea propagated by green journalists crusading against Monsanto, morose health editors, and loopy celebrities who condemn vaccines. For every media loudmouth who favors natural over man-made, some poor peasant dies. Remember the DDT ban? 1 million babies won't, because that ban allowed them to die from malaria. Thank the green movement. Natural is just the elite's way of saying I'm better than you to the poor. Lucky for them, they have no problems getting vitamin A. Their maids do all the shopping. So while it's cool to push fake fear about genetically modified foods, all it does is kill people. Celebrities march against Monsanto, but they're really marching against progress. And in service to their ego, they turn a blind eye to the suffering of others whose actual blindness they cause.
When did this get